Killer whales, also known as orcas, are the largest members of the dolphin family. They are a versatile super predator, with a diverse diet that can include fish, squid, sea birds, and even other marine mammals like seals, dolphins, and whales. Killer whales are highly intelligent and social animals, living in pods that can range from a few individuals to over 100. These majestic animals are easily recognized by their black and white coloration, with a distinctive white patch above their eyes and a gray saddle patch behind their dorsal fin. The males can measure up to 10 meters in length and weigh up to 10 tons. The females are smaller, reaching 8.5 meters and weighing between 6 to 8 tons. They are also known for their impressive hunting tactics, which can involve cooperative strategies and deliberate beaching to catch prey. From September to October, sightings of killer whale on the coast of Sesimbra are common. During this period, the Iberian killer whales lead to Mediterranean and head to the north of Spain and Biscay Gulf, passing near to the Cape at the western point of Sesimbra. This super predator feeds on pelagic fish, like bluefin tuna, that by this time are quite abundant in the sea of the coast of Sesimbra. A rare sighting in Bolhas tours dolphin watching tours, but an unforgettable one. Always worth trying. Come and meet us at our center located in Sesimbra. Let's explore.